Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a mini booklet with a sheet of paper. So I have my sheet of paper, the multiplication practice book. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to fold it lengthwise. Make sure you meet your edges like this. If not 100% perfect, it's fine. Right, once you have it like that, you're going to open it up again, and then you're going to fold it long ways this way. Right, so technically now we have 4 boxes, right? And once you fold it this way, what you're gonna do is, you see the line, and you're gonna actually just take this and you're gonna fold halfway that way towards the middle crease basically. So we have it like this, and then we have this side down like this, right? So now we have, like, this is the middle fold, the crease, and this is like the little wings here. So what you're gonna do next is you're gonna grab your pair of scissors, and where you see the dotted line, which is in the middle here, not all the way down, just in the middle, this is where you're gonna be cutting. You're not gonna cut the edges at all, okay? So when you fold it like this, you're gonna grab your scissors and just cut it down like that. Grab my scissors, and then you're gonna cut it this way. Okay, so we have it like this now. Pretty simple. Next thing you can do is you're gonna fold it like this and squeeze it towards the middle, so it kind of opens up like that. Just crease the flaps on the side to make a proper crease, and when you do that, you can see how this is the front page and this is the back page. So when you see that, you're gonna basically just fold it this way and fold it that way, and you have your little booklet that the kids can work on and complete, and then, you know, store for later use. And that's it.